Well, folks, it happened. The Supreme Court in all its wisdom decided to drop the ban hammer on TikTok. Starting January 19th, no more dancing grannies, no more hilarious lip-sync battles, no more doggo videos that make you go aw. Just like that, poof, gone from our phones. This isn't just about losing a few laughs, people. This is serious. This ban supposedly protects us from the big bad Chinese government. They're worried about spying, about propaganda. But let's be real, folks. The US government already knows what you had for breakfast. They know what you Googled last night. TikTok is the least of their worries. This ban sets a dangerous precedent. Today it's TikTok, tomorrow it could be any app, any website the government doesn't like. This is America, the land of the free, not the land of you can only use apps we approve of. TikTok is more than just silly videos, folks. It's a platform for creativity, for connection. It's a global community where people can share their culture, their stories, their unique perspectives. And guess what? The rest of the world is watching. By banning TikTok, we're not just shutting out 170 million Americans, we're shutting ourselves off from the world. We're saying we don't want to hear their stories, we don't care about their culture. That's not the America I know. This ban sends a message to the world. America is closed for business. We're not interested in global engagement, in cultural exchange. We'd rather hide behind a wall of fear and suspicion. Think of all the creators, the small businesses who rely on TikTok, the artists, the musicians, the comedians who found their voice, their audience on this platform. This ban isn't just an inconvenience, it's a punch in the gut. People like Callie Goodwin, a small business owner, built her entire livelihood on TikTok. 80% of her sales gone overnight. That's not just numbers, folks, that's someone's dream going down the drain. The government talks about national security, but what about economic security? What about the livelihoods of millions of Americans who depend on this platform? This ban hurts real people, real families. It's economic sabotage disguised as patriotism. Sure, there are legitimate concerns about data privacy, but let's not pretend this ban is about protecting your data. If that were the case, they would have gone after Facebook years ago. This isn't about security, it's about control. It's easier to control a narrative when you control the platforms. It's easier to silence dissent when you can just shut down the app. Don't fall for it, folks. This isn't about national security, it's about shrinking the space for free expression. So, what can we do? Well, we can contact our representatives, make our voices heard. We can support the creators and businesses affected by this ban. And most importantly, we can choose to stay informed, to think critically, and to never stop questioning those in power. Because in a world where our digital freedoms are increasingly under threat, vigilance is the only true security.